Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's K510 Automotive Group. Today, man, we're coming at y'all with another video, man. Shout out to all my real group members, man. This channel is about automotive, like automotive enthusiasts, car enthusiasts. That's what I'm about. And today we about to get started on the E36. I got my new rack. And my control arms. So that's what I'm about to be doing in this video. I'm about to be installing those parts so we can get the car back on the ground. Cause right now, the right side is all collapsed, so it has no like reinforcement to hold the tires up. The tires are so, everything is all bent. You can see right there, control arm is broken half. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. So yeah, man, shout out to everybody that's subscribed, and if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to this video, you know, and join the family, man. Become a group member. So got parts and parts, man. So that's what the plan is for today. So what's up, guys? I'm just gonna start opening up these parts and showing y'all what I got for the E36. Be the first package that we open. Bushings. Both control arm bushings. Put these over here. And then next, oh shit, it's a max speeding rod, rack and pinion. That's dope. I just put this brand coilovers on my E39. This is my new rack and pinion right here. Put it out the box. It's probably gonna be the nicest looking part on my car right now, man. There we go, new rack. Next, got so we got the new control arms with the new control arm bushings. To install these, you need these tools right here. One is a remover tool, and one is an installer tool. So you need these to put these bushings on those. So alright, so this is what we got planned for today. We got the rack and the control arms. So let's get started, man. Alright guys, so right now I just disconnected the steering shaft. You don't have to go from the inside, you can reach it from the outside. And it's gonna be 13mm bolt and nut. So yeah, I already split the shaft so I can slide it up, and I moved it up a little bit. So now I'm just gonna drop these mountain bolts down. Drop these mountain bolts. Disconnect the lines. Disconnect the tie rods. It should be ready to drop. See, from this side, it's not gonna be that bad to get to. Yeah, you can pull it from the front. You know, I still need to buy the outer tie rod ends. Yeah, I'll have to order those. Alright guys, I'll turn back on the camera once I get everything out. Alright guys, so we got the tie rod end out on this side. And got it out on this side too. Just gotta drop the we're gonna drop the rack now. Like 2 bolts, 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here. And then remove the lines and the rack should be able to come out once I remove the fluid lines. What's up guys? So I just pulled out the rack and pinion, and I'm kind of blown because I've been calling around. I'm trying to find like outer tie rod ends because I forgot to order it. So it looked like, I don't know, maybe I could order some, but my mission was to get this car on the ground so I could send it off to the body shop. This is how the old rack and pinion look. Letting it drain out in this bucket right now. And this is the new one. New one right here. But before I install the new rack and pinion, I'm gonna change out these control arm bushings. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I got enough space to get them out. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. I'm sorry I'm not like really I can't set up a tripod right now because it's just me one deep, you know, trying to record and work at the same time. So sorry if the footage is looking pretty like, you know, like jumping all over the place. Apologize for that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn back on the camera when I get the control arms out on both sides. Alright guys, just removed the sway bar. I just removed it. I don't know, I was suspecting the sway bar to be bent, but it looks like just the bushings got the impact. You see how the bushings out of the sway bar link came out? So I don't see this thing being kinked anywhere. I'm like looking at it. So I'm thinking I can probably reuse it. Just get new end links, new bushings, and new end caps. This one's okay, but this side got ripped off. But yeah man, we're getting closer to getting the control arms out. You see this control arm is ripped in half. I just have to unbolt the struts now, and I should be able to drop the control arms after that. So yeah man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. Man, I wish I brought my tripod, man. I could have just set it up and just run a time lapse on how long it's gonna take me, or just to show you guys what it takes to even remove this stuff, you know. But I'm one deep today, and we're gonna get it done nonetheless, you know what I mean? Alright guys, this had to cut off this control arm from the ball joint, and yeah man, this is how it cracked when they had the impact. Just twist it off like that. But anyways, we got the new control arm in. Come closer. We'll turn the light on this side. New control arm in. I'm just gonna put this side on and then put the new rack in and call it a day. I'm gonna have to do the other side another video or another time off camera. I'm just trying to get the car to the body shop right now to get repaired. So I'm about to put the new rack in, put all this stuff back, and then I'll get back to y'all. I'll turn back on the camera in a little bit. All right, peace.